Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, in today's video I'm gonna talk about three best way to do speaking practice. By doing that, you can become fluent in English. Not only become fluent in English, but also you can become confident at English. Your English will become so good. You will have command on grammar, at topic, at storytelling, and you will gather so many knowledge by if you do these three, if you apply these three way to do your speaking practice. So stay connected with this video till the end. Friend, how you have to do your practice in best three ways I'm gonna tell you. First, you know what you have to do. Each and every day you have to do a speaking practice. I know you do your speaking practice, but you have to do your speaking practice these three way which I'm going to tell you. First, you have to practice your speaking practice. You have to do over the app where you can talk with new people, with new stranger people whom you don't know. So first conversation you have to do your practice, speaking practice you have to do with them. And I know and everyone knows, it's obvious, when you will talk with any new people, you are going to talk with them general kind of conversation. You are going to have a general kind of conversation. So it you have to do that speaking practice over the app, and try to gather some knowledge, because everyone has their own ways to learn to do something. So if you talk with new people, new stranger people, you will gather some new knowledge, new ideas, not about English but also about so many things, because you are not going to talk with uh, same background people. You will meet with different people. Their background is different, their culture is different, their way of looking at and perspective is different. So you will gather knowledge, ideas from there, and you will have the confidence, you will build the confidence to talk with stranger people. Okay, so first speaking practice you have to do with your you have to do over the app with a stranger. Okay, in second conversation you have to do with non person whom you know. It could be your friend and anyone. If you don't have any friend who can talk with you as a daily basis, then definitely you should make one friend who can talk with you each and every day. And what kind of conversation you have to do with your friend, with non-person? You have to speak about topic, about storytelling, about grammar. Yeah, yeah, whatever you read, listen, learn, you have to share to your friends. Okay, and your friend too. You people can decide on which topic, about which things you will talk, and you have to do your conversation. Different kind of activities you have to do, and that's how you have to do your practice. You can talk about the storytelling, whatever you read, listen, you can explain, and your friend too. Okay, so this is the second way to do speaking practice, best way. And third, you have to practice with yourself. Yeah, in talking with yourself, you can talk about topic, any question, about daily routine, about anything. Yeah, you can do jam related practice. And you have to record yourself, खुद को रिकॉर्ड करना है. एंड आफ्टर दैट you have to listen and rectify your mistake, where you are making mistake, you whether you have spoken well or not. Such things you have to observe, rectify, and work on this. Okay. And in first I told you, you will gather some knowledge, you will build your confidence and become better at talking with any new person. In second I told you, you can do different kind of activities, like talking about topic, like narrating a story about whatever you read, you listen, you learn. Yeah, you can take grammar topic. And that's how by doing different activities, you can practice with your friend and become good at grammar, good at vocabulary, good at in storytelling. Yeah, you can become good at explaining when you will learn something and explain to your friend. So that's how you will become better in explaining as well. So here when you will have command on your English, you will do that much activity, so your confident, your fluency will improve. Your grammar, you will become good at grammar, your vocabulary will become good, because you will do storytelling and so many activities. In third I told you how you can rectify your mistake and remove them from your speaking. So if you want to become fluent in English and confident and have command at English, so definitely try three best way to do your speaking practice. And इन तीन तरीक़ों से आपको ईच एंड एवरी डे आपको जो है प्रैक्टिस करना है, हर रोज़ करना है। एक में आपको न्यू स्ट्रेंजर लोगों से बात करना है, सेकंड में आप जिनको जानते हो आपको वहाँ पे जो है इंट्रोड्यूस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको जनरल कन्वर्सेशन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि एक दूसरे को जानते हो। तो वहाँ पे ये जो है आपका टाइम बचेगा और आप डायरेक्टली किसी भी टॉपिक पे बात कर पाएंगे, अलग अलग एक्टिविटी कर पाएंगे। और या रिमेंबर, यू हैव टू टॉक विथ योर फ्रेंड टिल 1 आवर, 1 घंटे तक बात करना है, 1 घंटे तक प्रैक्टिस करना है। इन थर्ड, you have to practice with yourself and rectify your mistake where you are making mistake, where you are weak, and work on your weak point. So this is the three best way, and I do, and I want you to do. So I shared to you, and I hope you liked. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.